Initiating System 1. System 1 loaded.
Hello there. Today we're going to talk about the greenhouse effect on the Earth by the Lindungi as the main one. First of all, what is the greenhouse effect?
A greenhouse is a building with a glass wall and a glass roof. The clear glass allows sunlight to shine into the greenhouse while also trapping the sun's heat inside. This is how greenhouse keeps plants warm even at night and in the winter. The greenhouse effect keeps the Earth warm in pretty much the same way. Earth is not surrounded by glass, but it is surrounded by a jacket of gases called atmosphere. In the daytime, the sun shines through the atmosphere, warming the Earth's surface. After the sun goes down, Earth's surface cools. This releases heat back into the air. Even so, some of that heat is trapped by the gases in the atmosphere. There, heat-trapping gases are called the greenhouse gases. Some of the examples are carbon dioxide, water vapor, and methane. Earth needs a balance of greenhouse gases to maintain just the right temperature for living things.
But some human activities are changing the natural greenhouse.
For example, burning fossil fuels like coal and oil releases more carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. These extra greenhouse gases can cause the atmosphere to trap more and more heat, leading to a warmer Earth. The NASA satellites show increases in the amount of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases. Next, deforestation. Forests hold large amounts of carbon. Trees and other plants absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere as they grow. This is converted into carbon and stored in a plant's branches, leaves, trunks, roots, and in soil. When forests are cleared or burned, the stored carbon is released into the atmosphere, mainly as carbon dioxide.
This is the climate change can create economic consequences,
especially to our ocean and weather. Ice sheets such as Greenland and Antarctica are melting. The extra water that was once held in glaciers caused sea levels to rise and spills out of the ocean, leading coastal surging. Warmer temperature also makes weather more extreme, not only more heavy storms, floods, and heavy snowfalls, but also longer and more frequent droughts.
As we all know, Venus, the second planet from the Sun, is the hottest planet reaching 482 degrees Celsius. It has a thick layered atmosphere that is full of clouds that rain sulfuric acid. The atmosphere is made of greenhouse gases, primarily 97% of carbon dioxide, which create an extreme case of global warming. Carbon dioxide traps the sun's heat, causing the surface temperatures to rise over 880 degrees Fahrenheit.
That we have realized how dreadful the consequences of the greenhouse effect are. Let me tell you 2 ways to overcome global warming. First, we should plant trees. As we all know, trees act as carbon sinks and absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Thus, planting more trees can give us a little extra breathing room. Second, use renewable energy. Renewable energy is a group of energy technologies derived from sources that do not deplete and can be replenished within a human's lifetime. For example, solar, wind, hydropower, biomass, tidal, and geothermal. Renewable energy is sought after because it does not directly produce greenhouse emissions or air pollutant. It is also the fastest growing energy supply on the planet. As a conclusion, there are many ways we can do to avoid global warming.
It is our role as a human being to save the earth which is our only home.
That's all from us. Thank you.